Today, we're repotting 3 plants. The first plant is a Mexican Cycad. It has thick, short, feather-like leaves. And that's what makes it so charming. First, add a layer of well-draining soil. Place it in the center and fill in the soil. Press the soil down with the Steel Deco plant pick. It works great as decor and as a tool for repotting. Made of sturdy, powder-coated steel, so it stays clean and lasts a long time. This plant likes drier conditions. Water only when the soil is fully dry. And give it a good soak. Adding a layer of grit on top improves drainage with its larger particles and keeps the soil from blowing away. When you water over the grit, it keeps water from sitting on the surface, which helps prevent overwatering. Add the grit on top. And the Mexican Cycad is all done. The second plant is a weeping fig. It has curled leaf tips and bright variegation, sensitive to changes, and may drop leaves when moved. After repotting, it's best to keep it in one spot. Start with a layer of well-draining soil. Place it in the center and fill in the soil. Use the Steel Deco plant pick to lightly shape the surface. The fine tip makes it easy to knit in the surface without disturbing the soil. Powder-coated and rust-treated finishes. With a premium surface finish, a mini size is also available for small pots. You can find it on the Steel Deco website. Add a layer of grit on top to keep the soil from shifting. Grit helps water flow smoothly, keeping this sensitive plant more stable. The repotting of the weeping fig is complete. The third plant is a Peperomia. Its thick leaves store moisture, allowing it to stay healthy even indoors. It avoids strong light and shows better color in gentle, indirect light. With active transpiration, it helps improve air circulation. It has shallow, delicate roots, so loosen them gently when repotting. Leaves touching the soil stay too moist, so removing them helps prevent rot. Place a drainage mesh at the bottom. The mesh keeps soil from falling out and helps water drain evenly. Add a generous amount of potting mix to the bottom. Create a space for the plant so the roots can settle comfortably. Set the plant in the center and press the soil gently to secure it. Over 100 designs to choose from. Great as a repotting tool and also as a decorative accent, looks great in small pots and is perfect for gifting. Brushing it off keeps the surface much cleaner. Adding grit helps hold the soil in place and makes care easier. Peperomia is sensitive to overwatering, so wait until the soil fully dries, then water deeply at once. Using a Steel Deco plant pick to smooth the surface one more time. Adding moss on top helps the surface stay moist. And with that, all 3 repottings are now complete. Try easier repotting with a Steel Deco plant pick. See you in the next video.